back to the trade talks with China. Where do you think things stand? What would you like to see happen?
Well, I would like to see China open up, and I would like to see China hold culpable anybody in the government or in the private sector that compromises our information, steals our information. I'd like to see China held to a standard that we have in the United States in terms of how foreign companies can operate in the United States. Clearly, China tries to put on very stringent restraints and also wants to compromise business knowledge, business models, business information, so that they can take that information to compete with the very companies they're taking that information from. So I want to see a trade deal with China, if in fact that's possible, that has them operating in a fair way as is expected in the international trading community.
Do you think the deal, as it's been outlined to this point, does that? I mean, it certainly sounds like there are some concessions that the Chinese are willing to make that probably a year or two ago we wouldn't have suspected they'd be willing to do. Does it go far enough? And are you pleased to see what the process has been to this point?
You know, I want to be honest with you. I don't think I have enough information to make that judgment myself. We're certainly going to be looking at it. We'll see what the agreement ends up being, and hopefully we will have accomplished the objective that we need to accomplish. But I was talking to the president of U.S. Steel, just happened to be see him, and he was talking about how China had so compromised, and other countries as well, had so compromised fair trading practices that it was appropriate for us to confront them. I agree with that, and I'm hoping that an agreement will reach a stage with China that will make them a normal trading partner as opposed to a trading partner who is clearly perceived by the rest of the world as compromising fair trading practices.